Good morning, student. Today we will see the diversity and classification in animals. Okay, just before this we saw about the plants. Now we will see about the animals. The different animals have developed different shape to survive in the environment. Now see, according we know that the environment, if the region change, environment also get changed. So according to the environment, the animals have different shape. There is a great variety in the body structure of animals too, like plants. In animals' body also great variety means great differences. The amoeba that cannot be seen with our eyes. We cannot see amoeba with our eyes. For it, we require the microscope. Okay, because it is a microscopic animal. The huge elephant, the small snail, and the fish that swims in the water, a kite that flies in the sky, butterflies that flit around flowers, a house lizard that crawl on a wall, are all animals. See, from amoeba up to the lizard, the shape, the body structure get changed. Each has a different characteristic. Okay, if their body structure change, their characteristic also get changed. Let us see now the animals have body parts like a head, a neck, a torso. Torso is the main part of our body. Okay, means beside head, neck, and limbs, it is a main part of body. Means you know what, the main part of our body, but it not consist, means it is not head, it is not neck. Okay, so torso, it is present in some arthropod also, and it is not part of our head, arms and legs. Okay, but it is a main part of our body. A tail and a limbs for movement. So the animals have different body parts, means animal change their body part also get change, that is head, neck, torso and tail, and limbs. Limbs means hand and legs. And for what it is present? It is present for movement. They have the various organ system which carry on various function. Okay, inside their body. Now, not only the externally but internally also we have a different organ system. Let us see, if organ system get changed, their function also get changed. You know that in our body also there are various organ system are present, like a nervous system is there, circulatory system is there, excretory system is there, digestive system is there, respiratory system is there. So system change, their function also get changed. In this respect too, there is a lot of variety in animals. Now, not only in case of organ system, but there is a lot of diversity in animals. Okay, can you tell what are the difference in the body structure of animals like a snake, lizard, a tiger, fish, an eagle, hen, crab, a housefly, an earthworm, a crocodile, and a grasshopper? Now they ask us, they given us some name of the animal, and they ask us the difference in their body structure. Let us see now. Here some of the animals picture are also given, like earthworm is there, centipede is there, millipede is there, next crocodile is there, fish, eagle not there, honeybee is there, tiger, crab and fish. Let us see one by one. Now see, snake, fish and earthworm. Snake, fish and earthworm. Okay, they are the non-chordates. Non-chordates means they not having a backbone, means they not having the vertebral column, so they are the non-chordates. They have no bone in their body and their body is flexible. These three, they have no bone in their body, so their body is flexible. And you know what, the lizard having a cartilaginous bone. The lizard is there, lizard having a cartilaginous bone. Okay,